About security, let's not dwell on that one anymore, but we can come back to that later. I think the problem we have several problems, but the first one is the budget. I mean, there's budgetary issues. You know, the assumption is, and when you took it at that high level, it's real easy, we just move applications. Right. That's not the case. Everybody has a budget associated with the application. They have no idea what it costs to migrate. They have to palm this in the future. They have a contracting issue with their provider, their system integrator, that they're going to have to modify. And the system integrator, or it could be a small business or whatever, may not have any idea how to move anything to a cloud. So what do? Do we take a contract away from these people and say, hey, guess what, I'm going to give it to somebody else to do the migration or not? So we're into this budget estimation, contracting with the current contractor issue that you have to resolve before you move anything to a cloud. And that's taking up a lot of effort, because all of a sudden you realize, hey, this is a lot of work.
Right.
This is a contracting issue work that hasn't been thought about before, because we're modifying contracts or we're changing contracts. And besides that, then you have the reverse of this. As soon as you move something to the cloud, the SLA issue, the performance issue from the mission side is important. The question is, who's responsible for what SLA? Okay, the cloud provider has an SLA based on performance of their hardware suite. That's great. I have a system integrator that's actually maintaining the system per se. I have a network environment that's supposed to maintain the connectivity. And so when you look at an SLA, of course, we want to look at an SLA from the user mission viewpoint, not from the cloud provider viewpoint. So the question becomes, who do we point at and say, who's in charge of this SLA?
Right.
And that's been an issue right now.
Yeah,
because
absolutely. Absolutely. I can understand that one completely.
And so we're kind of like playing with that one right now, too, as to what we want to do with it.
Yeah.